Let's look at our 10A worksheet for additional topics. Determine if the two things are the same or different. If they are different, come up with a new name to call this group. So we have cat plus 3 cats. Well, cats and cats are the same. Since the cats are the same, you just go call them cats. Or you could draw a picture of the cat. Let's look at the next page. Combine like terms, part 1. An expression is a sequence of terms separated by operators, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, but not relations, such as equals, less than, or greater than or equal to. You can simplify it, but you cannot solve or evaluate it. Simplify. 10 cherries minus 7 cherries equals 3 cherries. Let's look at the next page. Commutative property. A times B equals B times A, where the star is any operation that is commutative, such as addition and subtraction. Using the commutative property, reorder the terms so that each expression has all of its terms together. Do not simplify. So let's put the like terms together. We have the birds first, so let's go ahead and circle those. And make sure to include the operation sign and the numbers if there are any. So we have 1 bird plus 4 birds. And we're done with the birds now. Let's circle the trees now. So I have 3 trees plus 2 trees. So we have 3 tree plus 2 trees. And then we have one more thing. We have a house. So we have minus 1 house. Okay, let's look at an example with letters instead of pictures on the next page. Find the expression that says 7x minus x squared plus 5x minus 9 plus 4x squared plus 3. Alright, first you want to circle all the x squareds. Only x squareds, not x's, because x squareds are different than x's. So after you've circled them, let's combine them. 4x squared minus 1x squared is 3x squared. Let's do the next one. Let's circle the x's. So we have 7x plus 5x, and that's it. 7x plus 5x equals 12x. So now we're done with those. And let's do the last one, the constants. So we have a minus 9 and a plus 3. Negative 9 plus 3 is equal to a minus 6. Let's go on to the next page for distributive property. So the distributive property is A parentheses B plus C equals A star B plus A star C. You basically multiply each term by the number on the outside, or the variable. So simplify each expression. So we're going to distribute the 2, so multiply each term by 2. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times positive 5 is a positive 10. That's it. Now we have x cubed, parentheses, x squared plus 1. Distribute, multiply each term. X cubed times x squared has 5 x's in it, so it'd be x to the 5th power. Now let's distribute to the plus 1. We have plus x to the 3rd power. Let's look at the next one. 2 times x cubed times 4x squared minus 1. Let's distribute, multiply each term. 2 times 4 is 8. X cubed times x squared is x to the 5th, because there's 5 x's there. And let's distribute the other one. We have negative 2x cubed. And that's our simplified expression. Let's look at the next page. Combine like terms, part 3. We have 5x plus 2x minus parentheses x plus 2. So let's see. We have parentheses and we have a negative. We don't multiply the 2x. We multiply by 1. There's really a 1 there. That's invisible. So you can go ahead and write that out. So we're going to distribute, multiply each term by negative 1. So let's carry down the 5x and the plus 2x. And after we distribute, negative 1 times x is a minus 1x. Let's distribute the negative 1 to 2. Negative 1 times positive 2 is a negative 2. Okay, from here, let's combine like terms. Is there any x squareds? No x squared, so let's go over to x. We have 5x plus 2x and minus 1x. 5x plus 2x is 7x. And then we have minus 1x. That equals 6x. So if we carry all that down, we have 6x minus 2. And notice, even though I drew an equal sign, that is just showing that this is equivalent to this. It does not mean that we're solving an equation or anything all of a sudden. 6x minus 2, there's nothing else to simplify, so that's it. All the like terms have been combined. Try the rest of these on your own.